In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Monday.com. We're going to focus on a simple, one-way sync using a date column on your Monday.com board. This means events will be pushed from Monday.com into your Google Calendar so you can see your tasks and deadlines right alongside your other appointments. First, open the Monday.com board where you want to set up the sync. Look for the date column that you're using to track due dates, events, or milestones. This is usually labeled with something like due date or deadline, but it may be named differently in your workspace. Move your cursor up to the header of that date column. On the right side of the column header, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the Column Options menu. From that menu, choose Column Settings. This is where you can customize how the date column behaves and connect it to external tools like Google Calendar. When the Settings panel opens, look for the option that says Customize Date Column and click on it. Inside the customization options, you should see a section related to integrations or syncing, and you'll notice an option for Google Calendar. Next to Google Calendar, click on the button labeled Sync. This is what starts the process of connecting this date column with your Google Calendar. You'll now be asked how you want the sync to behave. You'll typically see 2 choices: Sync All Items or Sync Items Assigned to Me. If you select Sync All Items, every item that has a date in this column will be pushed to your Google Calendar. This is helpful if you manage the entire board or want a full picture of all deadlines. If you choose Sync Items Assigned to Me, only items that are specifically assigned to you will appear, which keeps your calendar focused and less cluttered. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Click Connect, and a Google login window will appear. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for this integration, and then allow Monday.com the necessary permissions to add events to your calendar. It's usually best to double-check that you're connecting the correct account, especially if you use multiple Google profiles. After you approve the connection, the sync will activate. From this point on, whenever you add or update dates in that date column, those changes will be reflected in your Google Calendar automatically, keeping your schedule aligned across both platforms.